Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little different from what we usually do. Today we're just going to be going over what is an AutoCAD Certified Professional. There's a lot of questions surrounding this. I'm going to show you what a Certified Professional is, how you become a Certified Professional, and what we can do to help you become a Certified Professional. If any of this interests you, please stick around and we'll get into it. So what is an AutoDESK Certified Professional and what do they do? So let's answer that question. So what an AutoDESK Certified Professional is it's someone who is certified by Autodesk as a professional in the field of study that they did. So you can be a professional in Revit, you can be a professional in Fusion 360, you can be a professional in AutoCAD. In today's video, we're just going to deal with the AutoCAD version, as that's something that we're starting to work on, and we'll get into that later. So if you want to get your certification, you don't need to get your certification, but it can be very helpful if you're just new in the industry, and it shows your employer, or whoever you're working for or with, that you're competent in using AutoCAD. There's different requirements, there's different levels, and we're going to go over that in just a minute. So if you just look at my screen here, you can come down, there's the AutoDESK Certified Professional for Revit Architectural Design, for Revit Structural Design, Mechanical Design, Electrical Design, and then there's one for Civil 3D and AutoCAD for Design and Drafting. The one for AutoCAD for Design and Drafting is what we're going to go into. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here, we're going to click View Certification Details. And this is going to bring us to a page that is going to tell us all about what we need to become an Autodesk Certified Professional in AutoCAD for Design and Drafting. So, as they say right on their website, it says, stand out from the competition with an Autodesk credential. Our industry-recognized professional certification tells employers you're proficient in AutoCAD design and drafting skills. This is a very important thing to have, again, if you're just getting into the industry, or if you are, switching careers later on in life as well. This is something that can kind of give you an edge over, other people who don't really have this. So what is the certification? So the certification is for people who have advanced skills in AutoCAD, and they can solve complex challenges in design and in the workflow that they're doing. You have a very professional, comprehensive skill set that's going to help you stand out in the job market. So there's multiple skills that you need to have that are listed right here. You need about 1,200 hours of real-world AutoCAD software experience in an architectural environment in order to become a professional. If you have 1,200 hours of experience, that's amazing. If you don't, then that's okay. We can help you with that. And I'm going to show you a few other things on the page. So, some of the basic things you need to do is understand and apply drafting concepts and standards, set up, manage, and organize drawings, and all this other stuff here. You can pause the video and read them yourself. And then you can also take a course to prepare for your certification exam. The AutoCAD course is very... The one they provide you with is very bare bones and doesn't really help you. So we'll talk about that in a bit. But you can see here, if we go to view the exam objectives, you're going to have this pop up. It's going to download, and it's going to show you, who is, the person they're looking for to get this. So the Autodesk Certified Professional, it's for candidates who have advanced skills, like we said before. You need approximately 400 hours to 1,200 hours of AutoCAD experience, which works out to about 2 years of regular work experience. Again, it doesn't have to be 2 years. It can be shorter. It can be longer. Some people work with it on a regular basis. Some people have more than 1,200 hours. I mean, I have a lot of hours because I use it as my job, and other people do as well. But if you don't, that's okay. If you obtain this certification, you have demonstrated a comprehensive skill set and proficiency in completing 2D designs using AutoCAD, including AutoCAD LT. So this isn't just for AutoCAD, the full version. You can also use AutoCAD LT for this. One thing I will note is I think there's a few things on the exam that are not in AutoCAD LT. So if you do use AutoCAD LT, then you have a little bit more studying to do, but it's not too big. That's pretty much it. So again, you need to learn all these prerequisite skills. We'll get over that in a minute. The format is a little different than what you would expect from a regular AutoCAD exam. You actually don't use the software for this exam. You answer the questions in a selected response format, and they're designed to be answered without the use of the software. So it's testing your knowledge of the software, and it makes it so you can't really cheat. You can't really look things up. You can't really work through things. You have to just know what you're doing. So again, we'll get into that in a minute. And then there's the Autodesk certification frequently asked questions. We'll get into that in a moment. And then this is the exam objectives here. So you've got your percent of the exam and how much of the exam it's worth. These questions, there's only like 5 categories, but within those categories there's multiple questions, so you need to be prepared for that. And then as you scroll down, you can see that there's different things here that are included, things you need to know. I'm not going to go over all these right now, but that's pretty much it for the exam objectives part. Now let's go to the certification support in a moment. Before we do that, I would like to say, hey, if you need help with this or you're thinking about getting this, please go to our website, sign up to our email list, send us an email, because when you sign up, you can send us a message and say, hey, I need help. We're actually looking to talk to people. We want to know what you're looking for and how we can help you. So, go sign up on our website, and, if you want to, you can book a call with us absolutely free, no cost to you. We need to know what you want and what you need and see how we can help you out. So again, just go to our website. I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Yeah, let's continue. So continuing where we left off, we're now on the other page where we're looking at the course overview. Now this is provided by Autodesk to help you kind of figure out what you're doing. As you can see here, it gives you an overview of what's going on, drawing management techniques, annotation techniques. We do a lot of this on our channel already. If you haven't already, go check out our other videos because they deal a lot with annotation and drawing, editing styles and stuff, so you can go check that out. But if you come down here and you download this piece right here, I'm going to show you what's inside that. So just download that, and then what we're going to do is we're going to grab it. I'm just going to pull it from my other side here. And you can see here that you have a bunch of drawings. So if you go here, it's going to give you, different types of furnitures. It's going to give you a PDF file, and it's going to give you all these types of different practice exercises and drawings, and give you examples of what you need to kind of practice on what to do. I'm going to note that it does not tell you what's on the exam. It will not show you what's on the exam. This is just stuff to kind of prepare you for what can be on the exam. So by doing it, you're getting the answers to the questions on the exam. There's a lot to go over. Again, we're going to be working on this and dealing with this ourselves. If you have any questions about this, please go, again, check us out, send us an email. Yeah, I'm not going to go through all that. I'm just showing you that there's quite a bit of stuff to go through, lots of drawings, different types of libraries, and stuff like that. So just download that. You're going to need it if you are interested. And then you're going to see there's a course outline. So, there's module outlines, tells you what's in this lesson, what you can put in the lesson, how you can teach the lesson better. This is more so kind of, for you, but it's also for people like me who teach this kind of thing. And then if we go all the way down here, there's teaching supplements. So this is something that, I go through because I'm going to be teaching this. If you're interested in that, again, go send us an email. There's modules and playlists and stuff, and you can make this and do whatever you need to in order to get through. So that's pretty much it for the AutoCAD Design Professional certification. If you're not at the professional level yet, or you don't want to go to the professional level yet, and you haven't really committed to taking that step, or you're still in secondary school, or you're just new into post-secondary school, so like college or university, and you're like, okay, well, that's a lot of hours to work. How can I do this? Well, there is another level that you can do that's a step down. That is the AutoDESK Certified User. You can see this on my screen right here. What the Certified User is it's a certified professional, but again, a lower level of it. So you're not a professional, but you've been certified by Autodesk to competently use the software at a basic level. And this is good, again, for people who want to look good on put something on their resume, so they look good on their resume when they're just starting to get into the workforce and they have nothing behind them. I don't recommend this really for most people. There are people I would recommend it for, but most of the time I recommend just working towards the certified professional because then that way, you have a professional designation and you've got the work behind you to kind of solidify that. If you don't have the professional certification yet and you do have the hours, or you want to take the exam when you do have enough hours, we can help you with that. So just, again, contact us and we can help you out. So as you can see here, a certified user, you have strong software skills. It's an industry recognized credential that can effectively start your career as a designer, an engineer, or a maker. Again, this is not for people who have a degree. This is mostly for people who do not have a degree yet. So keep that in mind. And the certification is an excellent way for students and who have about 150 hours of real-world Autodesk software experience to validate their software skills. So, they recommend that you have at least 150 hours of real-world experience. If you need that experience and you want to go through with this, the certified user, and you're younger, then again you can also go and send us an email, and we can help you get through this process. That's pretty much it for the Autodesk certifications. We're going to be doing a little more videos about the other types of certifications, but we are going to be focusing a lot on the Autodesk Certified Professional for design and drafting in our channel, because that is something that we are passionate about. It's something we can help people with. And it's something that we've noticed there is a demand for this. It's not huge, but there's enough people. So if you are watching this video and you've made it this far, thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully this gave you a little more information. If you want more information, send us an email and we can run through this all with you. We can figure out what to do. If you're interested in becoming a certified professional, we can help you with that. So just keep that in mind, and thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Again, for those of you who are regular viewers, this is not our regular type of video, but it's just something that we thought we needed to get out. We're going to be resuming our standard videos, and we're going to start posting them once every 2 weeks or so, not every week, unfortunately, because we're getting busy again. So that's why we're going to start doing that. So we're not forgetting about you. We know you need help. We know you need the videos, and we're thankful to those who have been supporting us. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Share this video if you know people, or go and tell your friends and family if they need help. And again, just reach out to us. And yeah, so thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.